Are your tired, aching feet in desperate need of some pampering? Do you crave relaxation after a long, busy day? Look no further because we have the perfect solution just for you. Introducing the Nekteck Shiatsu foot massager machine with soothing heat, it's time to treat your feet to the ultimate spa-like experience, right in the comfort of your home or office. This multifunctional foot massager is packed with features to cater to your specific needs, or with multiple preset massage modes, adjustable air compression intensity, and a soothing heat function. You can customize your massage experience to perfection. What sets this foot massager apart is its built-in air compression technology. It gently but effectively boosts blood circulation in your soles and feet. Combine this with a deep kneading Shiatsu massage, and you have a winning formula to relax and rejuvenate. But that's not all. The Nekteck foot massager also comes with a soothing heat function. The infrared heating provides safe and comforting warmth, perfect for melting away stress and tension, especially during those cold winter months. The deep kneading nodes of this foot massager imitate the techniques used by professional masseurs. They apply efficient pressure to your soles, effectively relieving soreness and muscle tension. Say goodbye to tired feet. Worried about hygiene? Don't be. The foot sleeves are not only breathable but also detachable for easy cleaning. Keep your feet fresh and odor-free. Wash them as often as you like. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who deserves a little self-care, this foot massager is perfect for you. Say hello to improved blood circulation, relaxation, and overall foot wellness. It's powered by a reliable corded electric source and weighs just over 5 pounds, making it easy to move around and use anywhere you please. This is the Nekteck advantage. So why wait? Treat yourself or a loved one to the gift of relaxation and wellness. The Nekteck Shiatsu foot massager machine is here to soothe your tired feet, melt away stress, and help you unwind. Click the link below to order yours today and take the first step towards happier, healthier feet. Don't let discomfort hold you back. Invest in your well-being with Nekteck. Nekteck, where relaxation meets innovation.